Welcome to Discover 360. In this video, I will show you the most beautiful places must visit in Portugal. Number 10. Óbidos. Welcome to Óbidos, a charming medieval town in Portugal where history, beauty, and romance intertwine. Walk along the ancient castle walls of Óbidos, offering breathtaking views of the cobblestone streets and lush landscapes. Stroll through the enchanting streets, adorned with colorful houses and blooming flowers that create a fairy tale atmosphere. Visit the Church of Santa Maria, a stunning example of Manueline architecture, rich with history and artistic detail. Savor the local delight of ginginha, a sweet cherry liqueur enjoyed in charming cafes that add to Óbidos's unique flavor. Óbidos, a captivating blend of history, beauty, and charm, inviting you to explore its timeless wonders. Number 9. Braga. Welcome to Braga, known as the Rome of Portugal, where history, culture, and spirituality come together in a vibrant city. Visit the magnificent Bom Jesus do Monte, famous for its striking Baroque staircase and panoramic views of the city below. Explore the Sé de Braga, one of the oldest cathedrals in Portugal, where Romanesque and Gothic elements intertwine in stunning harmony. Stroll through Braga's charming streets, filled with lively cafes, local shops, and a warm atmosphere that invites you to linger. Experience Braga's vibrant culture during its traditional festivals, where history and spirituality come alive in colorful celebrations. Braga, a captivating blend of history, faith, and vibrant culture, waiting for you to discover its timeless treasures. Number 8. Coimbra. Welcome to Coimbra, a charming city in Portugal, home to one of the oldest universities in Europe and a rich tapestry of history. Explore the University of Coimbra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its stunning Joanina Library and majestic architecture. Experience the vibrant student life that fills the city with energy and culture, especially in its beautiful botanical gardens. Visit the Sé Velha, or Old Cathedral, a remarkable example of Romanesque architecture that tells the story of the city's past. Immerse yourself in the soulful sounds of Coimbra's unique fado, a musical tradition that captures the heart of its people. Coimbra, a captivating blend of history, education, and culture, inviting you to explore its timeless charm. Number 7. Madeira. Welcome to Madeira, a stunning archipelago known as the Pearl of the Atlantic, where breathtaking landscapes and rich culture await. Explore the famous levadas, unique irrigation channels that offer scenic hiking trails through Madeira's lush forests and stunning landscapes. Discover the vibrant capital of Funchal, where you can wander through the lively Mercado dos Lavradores and relax in the stunning botanical gardens. Experience the thrill of a traditional toboggan ride down the streets of Monte, a fun and unique way to see the island. Savor the flavors of Madeira with local dishes and the refreshing poncha, a traditional drink that's a must-try. Madeira, a captivating blend of nature, adventure, and culture, inviting you to explore its enchanting landscapes. Number 6. Douro Valley. Welcome to the Douro Valley, Portugal's stunning wine region, known for its breathtaking landscapes and world-famous port wine. Explore the terraced vineyards, where traditional winemaking practices create some of the finest port and table wines in the world. Visit local quintas for unforgettable wine tastings, where you can savor the region's exquisite flavors and learn about its rich history. Take a scenic boat trip along the Douro River, offering breathtaking views of the vineyards and the serene beauty of the landscape. Indulge in delicious local cuisine at charming restaurants where you can enjoy authentic dishes paired with the valley's finest wines. Douro Valley, a picturesque blend of natural beauty, rich tradition, and unforgettable flavors, waiting for you to explore.
Audio Jungle.
Number 5. Évora. Welcome to Évora, a UNESCO World Heritage City in Portugal's Alentejo region, where history and culture thrive. Explore the remarkable Roman temple, a testament to the city's rich history dating back to the 1st century AD. Visit the stunning Évora Cathedral, where you can climb to the tower for breathtaking views of the city and beyond. Step into the Chapel of Bones, a macabre yet fascinating sight, adorned with the skulls and bones of monks. Savor the flavors of Alentejo, with local cuisine and wines at charming cafes, experiencing the region's culinary delights. Évora, a captivating blend of history, culture, and gastronomy, inviting you to uncover its timeless treasures. Number 4. Algarve. Welcome to the Algarve, Portugal's southernmost region, renowned for its breathtaking coastline and sun-soaked beaches. Explore the mesmerizing rock formations at Ponta da Piedade, where nature's artistry meets the Atlantic Ocean. Relax on some of Europe's finest beaches, like Praia da Marinha, known for its stunning beauty and turquoise waters. Discover charming towns like Lagos and Albufeira, where vibrant nightlife and rich culture come alive. Experience thrilling outdoor adventures, from dolphin watching to surfing, making the most of the Algarve's natural beauty. Algarve, a coastal paradise of stunning landscapes, rich culture, and endless adventure waiting for you to explore. Number 3. Sintra. Welcome to Sintra, a magical town in Portugal, where fairy tale castles and lush landscapes come together in perfect harmony. Visit the iconic Pina Palace, a masterpiece of romantic architecture that looks like it's straight out of a storybook. Explore the ancient Moorish castle, where you can walk along its historic walls and soak in breathtaking views of the region. Discover the mystical Quinta da Regaleira, a UNESCO World Heritage Site filled with secret gardens and intriguing architecture. Savor delicious local treats like travesseros and quejadas while soaking up the charming atmosphere of this enchanting town. Sintra, a captivating blend of history, mystery, and beauty, inviting you to step into a world of wonder. Number 2. Porto. Welcome to Porto, Portugal's enchanting city, famous for its stunning architecture, rich history, and world-renowned wine. Discover the charming Ribeira district, where colorful facades and bustling cafes bring the riverfront to life. Cross the iconic Dom Luís III Bridge for breathtaking views of the city and the Douro River below. Visit the stunning Livraria Lello, one of the world's most beautiful bookstores, a true gem for literature lovers. Experience the famous port wine in the cellars of Vila Nova de Gaia, where you can sample exquisite local varieties. Porto, a captivating blend of history, culture, and wine, waiting for you to explore its enchanting streets. Number 1. Lisbon. Welcome to Lisbon, Portugal's vibrant capital, where history, culture, and stunning views come together. Stroll through the historic Alfama district, where every corner reveals a piece of Lisbon's rich history and soul. Hop on Tram 28 for a scenic ride through the city, taking you past iconic sights and lively neighborhoods. Visit the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Belém Tower and the Jerónimos Monastery, testaments to Portugal's age of discovery. Savor the flavors of Lisbon with a pastel de nata, the famous custard tart that's a must-try when visiting. Lisbon, a city of charm, culture, and warmth, inviting you to explore its endless treasures. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.